I want to know who made low-tech vocational skills unsexy. I don't get that. I don't get that at all. Getting back as a country into making things. And if you look to Brooklyn, New York, a lot of people think various things of Brooklyn, but Brooklyn, New York is a wonderful laboratory to see the new economy as it's developing. More and more young people are getting into making things. And so my next slide is about 3D printing. In my opinion, 3D printing is one of the technologies that I'm going to see in my lifetime that will revolutionize everything. We're starting to see just really quickly the ramping up of use of 3D printing. So we're going to see driverless cars in about 4 to 5 years on the road if the laws allow it. But the technology is there. And Google is buying these mapping companies because they're going to integrate that into their driverless car technology. And so what do we do to bring our young people up to speed to be better equipped to handle this new economy? And I feel like it's glaring us right in the face. We're looking at a complete reinvention of the American education system. Thank you.